makes me feel in my stomach.
But it can't be straight.
Just thinking about it.
Just physics 101.
Where is the sunscreen?
Welcome to Wonderland. Now, every year we do this, and it's such a great time hanging out with our little cousins. And we start off with the teacups. Moving on from the teacups, we move to the dragon flyer. Oh dear.
Good technique, Nito.
We survived, barely.
You should have told me that!
Now this is a little bit of a boat, and this one was quite easy actually.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums.
Now, the hammer. Now the hammer, I was actually scared. I had to play it like I wasn't, mainly because the kids were there. Holy cow, I thought I was gonna die.
Or this is not that bad.
I know, it's just a little. Old school bumper cars, can't go wrong. And this, simply not for me. Oh, and this, definitely not for me.
So yeah, that would not, no.
I would love it.
No,
Oh, you
for
would?
me.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go do it, Leah. Yeah, let's go do it.
Yeah, he's gonna come with me.
Simply love our time with Wonderland Adventures in the summer. Until next time, stay in the gray area. Peace.